Buying a pair of basketball shoes for your kids is an important process. They're still learning the game and deciding how much they love it. And a good pair of shoes can make a major difference on how much they enjoy it and how much they can get out of their talent. This article will help you decide upon the best kids basketball shoes this season, as well as providing a list of some of the most important factors you need to consider in making your decision. And now for the playinbasketball.com reviews of the 5 best kids basketball shoes, plus 2 to avoid. Coming in at number 1, Nike KD8 Youth Shoe. Kids love star players, and what better NBA star to have their shoe named after than Kevin Durant? The KD8 is incredibly comfortable, something which is particularly important for kids, who tend to be a little more picky about what they wear out on the floor. The Nike Flyweave construction helps to create this comfort, providing a lightweight shoe that is also extremely supportive to protect your kid's vulnerable ankles. It has a high level of traction, which will enable your kid to practice their best crossover moves, something which is also aided by the articulated Zoom Air unit. These are available in a wide range of styles and colors, so you can be confident that your kid will love at least one of them. Overall, these are probably the best kids basketball shoes this season. Coming in at number 2, Jordan Nike Kids Air 1 Mid Basketball Shoe. Jordan produces some of the most iconic basketball shoes going around, so your kid will love their youth version of this product. The leather and synthetic product is comfortable, supportive, and looks great, providing your kid with everything they need to dominate out on the floor. It has a perforated toe, allowing extreme breathability and comfort, meaning your child will love this as soon as they put it on. With the rubber sole, they can also be used on indoor or outdoor surfaces without being scuffed up. A great benefit considering kids will almost likely wear them inside and outside regardless. These are available in a range of basic styles, and all of them have the typical Jordan look. All of these great features combine to make one of the best basketball shoes for kids that you'll find. Coming in at number 3, Nike LeBron 8 Boys Basketball Shoes. LeBron has been the best player in the world for many years, so it's no surprise to see his signature Nike basketball shoe come out as one of the best options available on the market. LeBron is idolized by adults and children alike, but kids in particular will be thrilled with the opportunity to strut around in these shoes. These synthetic rubber sole shoes are extremely durable, ensuring you'll get bang for your buck regardless of how often your child wears them. With a higher top, they also provide terrific support, meaning you can be comfortable in the knowledge that your child's feet and ankles are being well protected. Reviews of this product are all extremely positive, with no major flaws being detected, making this one of the best youth basketball shoes going around. Looking to learn more about the best kids basketball shoes in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Coming in at number 4, Nike Boys Team Hustle D7 Basketball Shoe. This is a fantastic option for your child, and one that also comes in a little bit cheaper than some of its competitors. With deep flex grooves, this is a flexible shoe that will enable your child to maximize their lateral movement, while the perforated panels enable extreme breathability for the foot. This shoe also has a rubber sole, like many of the shoes in this list, which can help to give parents a little peace of mind, knowing that the shoe will be able to last regardless of the surface on which their child is using it. As mentioned, the shoes are a little less expensive, but you don't need to worry about a drop-off in quality. These will still get good use for an extended period of time, making these some of the best kids basketball shoes on a budget. Coming in at number 5, Jordan Air 3 Retro OG Kids. These Jordan Air 2 Retro Kids shoes are as stylish as they get, and your kid will no doubt have the coolest looking pairs of shoes on the floor if they've got these on. This leather pair from one of the best makers of basketball shoes in the business will provide your child with plenty of support, enabling to break ankles like MJ. With suede soles, they're probably best suited for indoor hoops, but your child will still be able to use them outside without worrying about them falling apart. The style of these shoes is second to none, but they are also high performance, giving your child the best of both worlds. Being from such a well-regarded brand, they are inevitably a little more expensive, but these might be the best youth basketball shoes over $100, so they're well worth it. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite kids basketball shoes. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates. And now for the playinbasketball.com kids basketball shoes to avoid. Adidas Neo Kids BB9 TIS Mid K. These shoes aren't all bad, but they have one major drawback. The exterior is repeatedly reported as wearing away after just a couple of weeks of use. Perhaps this can be attributed to the cheaper price tag, but given kids can be particularly picky about what they wear, a pair of basketball shoes with paint peeling off all over them might not be something they're comfortable in. Other than that, the shoes aren't terrible, providing reasonable enough support and comfort, but the lack of durability is a significant problem and makes it very difficult to justify purchasing this shoe. Adidas can normally be trusted to make high-quality products, but this one has missed the mark a little, so you should probably avoid these kids' basketball shoes. Dream Pairs light-up fashion sneakers. Dream Pairs have clearly designed this shoe with the intention of marketing it based on the light-up feature, which is something kids will no doubt love. Unfortunately, the shoe itself is very poor quality, and you shouldn't expect to get more than a month or so of use out of it. A huge amount of reviews claimed that the shoe fell apart after not a great deal of use, so buying this shoe for your child to wear while playing basketball would be a major mistake. Not only is the support relatively non-existent, but you'll have to buy another pair after just a few games. The light-up feature is nice to appeal to the kids, but these are the worst basketball shoes for kids this season, so don't bother with them. And now for the playinbasketball.com final thoughts on buying the best kids basketball shoes. Finding the best basketball shoes for your kid isn't that different from finding the best pair for yourself. They need support, comfort, and will want a pair of shoes that look good. And if you can find all of these, then both you and your child will probably be happy with your purchase. Following the advice provided in this article, you shouldn't have any problems finding the best kids basketball shoes this season. Looking to learn more about the best kids basketball shoes in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite kids basketball shoes. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive video updates.